Hi guys, my name's Mark, welcome to Continental. Today I'm going to be showing you around the beautiful Bailey Endeavour B62 here with us. Okay, so first of all it's based off a Ford Transit. It's in this lovely chrome blue with the matte black decals which are complemented by the 16-inch alloys as well, so making it really sporty. We've got a 155 brake horse engine with a 6-speed auto transmission. It's a fully specified cab, so you've got aircon, you've got the 12-inch entertainment screen which is also linked to your reversing camera on the back. We've got the 3.5 metre Thule Omnister awning, so perfect for your summer evenings for a nice glass of wine or a barbecue and beer. And also you've got a 100-watt Truma solar panel on the roof as well, which is obviously linked to your leisure battery, so these vehicles can go off-grid. That's it from the outside. I'm going to take you inside and show you around. Hi guys, so welcome inside the Bailey Endeavour B62. I want to just show you around the front of the vehicle first of all. So we got this beautiful panoramic skylight here which really brightens up the front of the vehicle. As I mentioned in the previous video, big 12-inch entertainment screen, Apple CarPlay, reverse camera, everything's on that with the automatic gearbox. To the left of me here we got a compressor fridge here which runs off the leisure battery, and they're very efficient so they can be used off-grid. We've got up to the right, we've got the Truma heating for your boiler and water, also runs off diesel, so again perfect for being off-grid. We've got a 3-burner hob, and then underneath we've got the grill and oven as well. And just to the left of me here we've got this very clever Constantina door which shows the bathroom behind, and then you can obviously open up the door again, which gives it a lot more room in the kitchen area for cooking. So welcome to the habitation side of the B62. We've got this lovely U-shaped lounge, got to say, comfy cushions here as well, and this converts into your bed at night, which would be a large double. Plenty of overhead storage, and obviously you've got the skylight, windows throughout, which really brightens up the vehicle, and all windows come with blackout blinds and fly screens. You can open the rear window, the rear doors as well, so you can use the bench seats and enjoy a nice view at the beach. Any questions or queries, or want to pop in and see one, visit us at Continental and we'll be able to help you.